Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to apply Walmart credit card. So let's get started. Firstly, search for the Walmart credit card in your web browser and you will get to see the Walmart credit card option available there. Simply tap on it and you will be navigated to Walmart credit card website. So now once you are inside here, simply tap on the apply now option available there. So basically guys, you should be from US or Canada in order to have Walmart. In my country there is no Walmart, so I cannot register here, but I can definitely give you some step to step guide. So simply tap on the apply now option available there for Walmart credit card. After you tap on the apply now, you will be navigated to sign in your account. Now after you sign in, you will have to fill out the application. Complete the application form with your personal information, including your name, address, social security number, income, and employment details. Now you can see after you fill up all the form, all you have to do is tap on the agree and agree its terms and conditions and review it. Double check your information for accuracy and submit the application. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.